What's going on, guys? Tyler from Alandeds. Wanted to talk to you guys about windshield mounted radars. We carry the Escort line here. They're one of the best on the market, if not the best. This is going to be the 360C. Let's open this bad boy up. Little travel case in case you guys want to move them around between vehicles. This is actually going to be the unit itself. One of the big differences besides the antenna strength is going to be the physical appearance between the 360 and the 360C. The 360C has this nice copper kind of aluminum finish to it, versus the 360 is actually a solid black. I actually have one in one of my own personal cars. Can't count the amount of times this thing saved me. This is going to be the standard cord if you wanted to just plug it into the cigarette lighter. It's what a lot of people do. Over here at Alandeds, obviously, we actually hardwire them. That's the way to do it. You stick the key in the ignition, you turn the car on, this thing's on with it. Besides that, it actually has what they have an app called Escort Live. Works out really good. It's going to allow you to touch into the community, very similar to Waze, where it'll actually help you spot and locate different things. Give us a call, 310-542-5588.